Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. Today I'll be talking about the flip chart as a non-digital teaching tools. So, what is a flip chart? A flip chart is a large pad of paper attached to a stand. Teacher can write or draw on each sheet and flip to the next page as the lesson goes on. What makes flip chart effective is their flexibility and visibility. They allow teacher to present ideas step by step like writing key points, drawing diagram or organizing group activities. Student can participate by writing or drawing on the flip chart, making lesson more interactive. Unlike digital tools, flip charts don't need electricity, projector, or computers. They are easy to use, reusable, and perfect for brainstorming sessions, discussion, or summarizing lessons. The simple act of flipping the paper keeps the lesson organized and interactive. To sum it up, the flip chart may look old school, but it remains a very practical and effective teaching tool. It helps teachers to explain clearly and encourage student participation. That's why flip charts are still valuable in today's classroom. Thank you for watching my blog, and I hope you learned something about the power of flip chart in teaching.